good day, brother. Trust you well. You too, man. Uh, Alright, guys, so this is the daily right now. Yes, we do see that we rejected this area here, but yeah, okay. But right now we can just easily fill up this wick, as I mentioned in the morning already. So I think gold can reach back to this support level here. Um, but the only thing we have to do now is looking for good positions to enter. Oh ja. Ja, ja, ja. Nou is mijn mic wel goed, hè? So basically, the one thing that is very sure is that the markets are very bearish. So we only have to look for sell positions here. We can clearly see markets going to the downside. On the higher time frames, we see literally everything. If you zoom out, you already know which direction gold wants to go again. So that's basically it. The only thing we have to do now is to get in good sell positions. So the next block order is actually right here already. So we can try to catch around 200 pips. So clean traffic on the left hand side. The only thing we want to do now is literally looking for sell positions, nothing else. The market is very bearish. Adam, you hiding? Yes, I know. I know, because I'm smoking right now. You know. Just wait 1 minute. Why you say bearish even though it's at support? Which support? There is no support level around this price. 3165 is next support. I don't see the support, man. Which support? 3165. I don't see any kind of support level, bro. We can actually already look for sells once price actually can go underneath this candle here, underneath this bullish candle. So I might just take it here. Sells underpriced 3-1. Sells underpriced 3171. This is where we're gonna look for sell positions right after here. This can be a very good trade, basically. Put stop loss above this price and move take profit around 200 pips. Ja man, zijn we weer. Ja man, we zijn er weer. Is de YouTube kwaliteit wel goed of vanochtend 150 pips met de gigabeursbeweging. Netjes man. Ja man. We do have news in 39 minutes, so we have to look for a good sell position within this 10 minutes time frame. Let's hope a good entry. Yes. This is looking very bearish. There's no bullish movements in my eyes for today. Literally only bearish movements. What do you see at 3165? Brother, I don't see anything at 3165. Is this what you call support level, bro? We cannot consider this as a support level because price just pushes already from here. This is a support level. Support level means there are multiple rejections and a nice push or nice push to the downside. That's a support level or a resistance level. You cannot consider this as a support level. So this is gonna be a very nice trade, basically. I mean, if this 15 is gonna close like this, it's a very nice move to the downside. It's literally just one of the best trades I will take for this week. Big rejection at 3-1. There is no big rejection, bro. I don't see any rejections at that level. Manipulation on New York opened towards 31880s and sells after that. So we have 7 minutes left for this 15 to close. If we can close underneath price 3161, then we have to get in this trade. The 5 minutes looking very nice. The 15 is looking very nice. The 30 is looking very nice. Everything is looking good. Yeah, it's already pushing to the downside. Yeah, it's already going. So we have to see. I do want to see a push back to the upside so we can have a better entry. because if it's already pushing from here, then we cannot enter this trade basically, because our stop loss will be very tight. Ryan means the rejection on the 4-hour chart. Let me see. On the 4-hour chart, again, I don't see any kind of rejection at 3165. I don't see it. I don't see it. You mean this one here? Well, this is not respected. There is no way that this respect already pushed through. It pushed through again. It pushed down again. We can't consider these levels as kind of support or kind of resistance levels. We cannot do that. Yeah, it's already pushing to the downside. 100 pips already. Crazy push. Crazy push. Crazy push. I hope it can go back to the upside so we can get in. Bro, this shit's going crazy. Look at this candle. This candle only is already 200 pips. This 5-minute candle is already 200 pips. Crazy, man. Literally crazy. But we want to see this 5-minute candle going to the upside. Only then we can enter in this trade. If not, then I think it's done for the day, because this was the move I wanted to catch, and yeah, we have to wait, guys. We have to wait. I hope this 5-minute candle can just fill up this this candle right here, and after that we can get them very nice sell positions. Hope for the pushback, yes. So again, Ryan, you mentioned 3165. It didn't even respect that level, as you see, because you can't consider this anymore as a support level. You just can't. It didn't respect anything. Hope for a pushback. Yes, I hope so. Only then we can enter in this trade. Because if it keeps dropping, then what entry are you look? I was looking at the 4-hour, but I see what you're saying. What entry are you looking for? 3168. Yes, around this price I wanted to get in sell positions basically, but it already pushed crazy to the downside. It's very, in 2 minutes only. In 2 minutes only, gold did already 150 pips. Yeah. But it's all okay, guys. Don't get in these type of frustrations right now. It's all good. Gold's already kind of pushing to the upside now, so yeah, it's very insane, man. It's insane. But it's already kind of going to the upside. We already pushed 70 pips to the upside. So let's see, because this can be a very, very nice trade. We're gonna get in right after this 5-minute candle closure, because then the 1-hour candle is also closed, and it's looking very bearish. Everything's looking very bearish. What's ideal entry? Right now I don't really have the best entry for us would have been 3169, 3168. But even though this 5-minute candle closes bullish, we can just still enter in this trade. It's a very beautiful trade if gold can still push a little bit to the upside. That's very good. Max 20 pips. No, I will put my stop loss around 30 pips on this trade. I hope this 1 minute candle can push a little bit more to the upside. It will be good. It will be good. So you have to see. Alright guys, get ready, because this is the trade we're gonna take right now. Right now this is the trade we're gonna take. So alright, we are in the trade guys. We are in the trade right now. And hopefully we can see some very nice pushes to the downside. Alright, we are already running 20 pips. $3,163 is our entry, guys. Oh my god. Crazy run, crazy run. Running plus 60 pips, I guess, already. Yeah, this shit's going. Oh my, how much pips do we run? Already 80 pips, that's crazy. So our take profit, guys, will be around 3,143. We also do move our stop loss to break even to manage risk. 3,163 is our stop loss. And it's already coming to our stop loss basically. So I hope we can still kind of reject this price here. All right. Yeah, it's coming to our stop loss. It's coming to our stop loss. I think it already hit our stop loss. Yes. Stop loss hits. Break even trades. Alright, so first one is break even. Break even trade, guys. We were basically pushing very nicely to the downside, but gold decides to not really push back to the downside. So again, now we have to look for better entries. I mean, yes, we were running 80 pips, but it went very fast. It went literally very fast. Otherwise, I would have closed it. But I didn't see these kind of moves already. So I don't know what it rejects. I don't know. Basically, we have to wait. We have to wait. Let me see, because we can have better entries around price, around this price right here. Yeah, we can have much better entries around price 3172. Ik ga nog geen trade pakken, te volatiel. Ja man, is ook echt super volatiel eigenlijk. Oké. I go to 5. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Als je de bearish trend aan de bovenkant bekijkt, is hij nu de lijn aan het testen. Welke lijn precies, bro? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 bearish candles on the 30 minutes. So the markets are very bearish. Yeah, the markets are very bearish. Bro, kan die bij 72 niet ook in één keer omhoog vliegen? Kijk, weet je wat het is? Het blijft altijd een risky trade, hè? Maar kijk, je moet het zo bekijken. De trend die is altijd jouw vriend. Altijd. Dus vooral op de 30 minuten. Ik zie geen move meer naar de. Ik zie geen move meer naar bovenkant. Ik zie helemaal geen move meer naar boven toe. Want kijk, ik ga nu even alles clear zetten hier. Als we kijken naar de daily, deze wick hier, die kan super makkelijk gevuld worden. Super makkelijk. Bij 3120. En dat is waar ik naartoe kijk. Ik wil naar beneden, ik wil niet naar boven toe. Dus één moment. Deze verwijderen. This is the daily low from yesterday. So we can easily go and retest that area. Trader meestal sells alleen, ja toch bro? Nee joh, in principe eigenlijk meer buys. Vooral in de laatste paar maanden had ik echt alleen maar buys op gold. Waarom is goud zijn pa zo raar, bro? Great. You don't trade supply and demand zones at all, brother. Ryan, I basically do, bro. I basically do. But the main thing is we're only looking at price movements. That's why my strategy is price action. What was this move actually? Yeah, we were 85 pips in profit. It's okay, it's okay. It's all good. We can still look for nice sell positions today. It's pretty early still. And we do have news in 20 minutes, so it will affect the markets. Alright, so we are not trading in the coming 35 minutes. Trade your Titans news, bro, Neyman. And no indicators at all. EMA, FIP, no, nothing. No indicator, no nothing. Literally nothing. Only price action. We only look at price movements. We only look at the candles, how the candles closed, how the candles form. That's the only thing we are basically looking at. That's also the only thing you really need. You know what I don't understand about indicators? Like, once I started trading Forex 7 years ago, I always thought that indicators gonna help my strategy to become better and get my confirmations from an indicator, but that is totally bullshit for me. There is no indicator that can tell you that the market is bearish or bullish. It's not. There is no indicator. I mean, I can't trust an indicator based on EMA, MA, Fibonacci levels. And to be honest, I don't really know if people are consistently profit with indicators. I don't know. I enjoy the way you explain and you don't hesitate, you enter it all. Thank you, man. Thank you, Ryan. Bro, you can really just, it's so simple, bro. I don't know how to explain it. This trading thing is so easy. But the thing is, the people make it hard for themselves. It's very simple, man. It's literally very simple. Everyone can trade, everyone, but not everybody can stick to their discipline, stick to their trading plan, stick to their consistently getting not in a trade, or I don't know how to explain it, but trading is not very hard, man. We make it hard for ourselves with all the trading garbage on the internet for learning, like SMC, ICT. I've been watching you for a few days and I can say you know what you're doing on price act. Thank you, man. Should we enter if it reaches through, if the news is about to hit? No, I don't trade news. I don't trade 50 minutes before news, and I don't trade 50 minutes after news. Who did you learn price action from on YouTube? I don't know, man. Basically, I don't really learn it from YouTube. I think I learned myself. I don't know. I didn't learn price action on YouTube. I don't know. I don't know how it went, but one day I considered that nothing worked for me. So the things I did was literally just looking at price movements, literally looking at the candles. Because we have to know that we can only trade what we see. We cannot trade what we think. And with these indicators as confirmations, you most likely think it's the right thing to do, but you have to see it. You really have to see, once you're coming to the markets, once you're coming to the charts, you have to see where the market wants to go. And that's why I already got my setup here, and that's it. I'm just only looking for bearish movements. There is no indicators. You know what? I'm gonna bring some indicators up here. Let's bring up the RSI. So after that, I don't know what these things are. Let's bring up the EMA. Let's bring up the MA. I can't have more indicators. So I don't know what to do with these things. I really don't know what to do with these indicators. It doesn't tell me shit. It literally doesn't tell me anything. Price action, guys. Price action. Look at price. Look at what markets wants to go. Look at where the market wants to go. The candles are speaking their own language, and you need to learn that language to understand the market movement, and you will be consistent. That's very true, man, Ryan. I don't know from where you heard that, but that's very true. Let's see what gold can do. Alright, so now we're gonna mark up every single thing where price can reject. So this is literally the only thing you have to do once you're trading price action. And the funny thing about price action is that once this is your strategy, it's very simple to mark your setup. It's very simple. Like for me, from here it can reject again. From here we can reject again. And it's just very simple. Looking at the 15, this is very correct. From these prices, price can drop easily to the downside. But we also have to be careful, because once price breaks through 3179, then it can go easily to the upside because we have this clean traffic on the left hand side. And don't forget that this is the 15-minute candle. So once we have clean traffic on the left hand side, it pushes through these 2 wicks here. We can go easily to the upside. That is what price action is, looking at price movements. So we basically took three trades today this week. One of them was 200 pips, one of them was 35 pips, and one of them was break even, which was 20 minutes ago. So we are doing pretty well actually. But what about fake outs and going for liquidity grabs? That's where I'm struggling on my entries. That's also what price action is about. Fake outs and liquidity grabs. Because you know where the liquidity is right now? The liquidity is right here. Liquidity is right here. Liquidity is right here. Liquidity is right here. This is where all the liquidities are. That's also why we are only focusing on price to close. Guys, I'm gonna smoke one more. So I will just be here 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Let's talk about some important things. And how do you prevent being faked out personally from experience? Bro, I've dealt with that like a million times already. And these are the things that basically are the hardest. You have to accept that you lost it. If you can't accept your losses, if you can't accept what you did wrong, and you chasing the markets by getting the profits back, it's not gonna work, man. It's really not gonna work. And that's also why, and that is where risk management comes in. That's why I always put my stop loss very, very tight. So we did came to this block order here on the 15, and let's see. We do have news on in 5 minutes, so we're not gonna trade. I don't understand how you mark your support and resist levels. These are not my support and resist levels, bro. I only have support and resist levels on the 4-hour time frames. These are my block order levels. These are I marked these levels because price dropped very quickly to the downside. That's where I put my block orders, because once we come back to this level where price dropped very hard, price dropped around, let's say, around 300 pips in this area only. So let me mark it again. From this area, in this area, once we come back in this area, that means where volume is created. That means that there will be another big volume in this area. But only if there is no fake outs, of course. That's why we always wait for a 50-minute closure, a 30-minute closure. That's why we always wait for these closures. We're not gonna enter instantly. And the red folder at 4 p.m. again. I don't know what the red folder means, bro. Ah, you mean news? Yes, that's right. So in 3 minutes there will be news, and we have to see what it's going to do. I can mark my support levels for you. So basically my support levels, this will be a support level. I mean resistance level. This here is a very, very strong support level, but this is what I don't like on support levels, because my support levels only is already like 100, 150 pips. I like to fill up my wicks. I like to fill these kind of wicks, especially on the daily time frame. Oh. I like to fill this wick up here. This is the daily time frame right now, where we at right now, and this was yesterday. So it already broke this body of the candle. Now we only have to get to this wick fill, and the wick fills are very easily done on the higher time frames. My English is not very good, guys, so I'm still learning a little bit, but I'm trying my best. And let me tell you, I only have 10 viewers right now, and you guys are very early on this road, because in the upcoming few weeks I'm gonna create some more content, and there will be watching more people. So you guys are very early. In these kind of live streams. What I appreciate, of course. Your English is 100%. It's not 100%, bro, but thank you. I appreciate that. I love the live streams with very clear trades and explanations on price action trading. Thank you. That's also basically why I do everything for free, because I don't need you guys' money. I don't need these. I have my own money. I create my own money. I make my own money. I don't need your money. You get me? That's why everything is free here. All my live streams are free. All my streams are free. I mean, all my signals are free. Full port longs. You're really helping us here. The universe and the Almighty will bless you. Thank you, man. Thank you, Ryan. Alright, so the news got in. Let's see what's going to do. Hoe vaak per week ben je live? Ik probeer elke dag live te gaan, man. So the news doesn't really have a lot of impact, actually, as I see, because the news has pretty much high volume news. Let's see. We're still gonna wait 50 minutes. So this is where I will place my trade. This is literally where I will place my trade, but it's too early for me right now. It's too early for me. This is looking very, very, very good for sell positions. This is looking very good for sell positions, basically, but we cannot enter this trade because of the news just got in. What rules do you have trading with FTMO? Which rules? There are a lot of rules. You mean the rules from FTMO itself or the rules that I make for myself? Let me put my camera. Do they have a consistency rule? In the long term, they will, because once you have profit splits every single month, FTMO will come up with some rules, especially for you, just because you are a consistent FTMO trader. But if you just stick to your rules, nothing will happen. I mean, I did hear from some TikTokers that once you make a lot of money from FTMO, FTMO will get your account to, like, you can only risk 1% every single day. But I never had that, so I never had problems with FTMO basically. I can show you my FTMO if that's. I can show my FTMO, right? I think I can. Let me get one of the past FTMO challenges that I had. For example, this one right here. Let me see. A friend of mine trades with FTMO. He got paid out 25k and they wanted him to work for them. Refused and banned his account and gave him his payout. Thanks for. What? Really? So he got paid 25k on what type of account? Like a 100k account, 200k account? Thanks for the information about all this, by the way. No problem. Yes, bro. 200k live Finite account, and they banned him just because he got a payout of 25k. Let me see. So this account here was 1 year ago. And let me show it to you guys. No, he refused to work for them as a trader. But what do you mean he refused to work for them? I mean, you already work for them once you have a funded account. So this here was my verification. This was not long ago. This was 1 month ago. So this is how it should look like. I think I got my I think I got this account in 2 days trading. Yes, so I got 2 days. I got this verification phase. Well, I can show you a lot on this account, but let me show you a better one. Brother, I have been selling since 3191. My target is 3133. Should I hold it? Yes. If that is your entry, I will hold that. I will really hold this trade. And your take profit is your take profit is very nice. Basically, your take profit is very nice. 3133. Very nice take profit. So yes, I will hold that if your entry is 3195. Love you back, man. Alright, gold decided to push through this price here. So now things get very interesting, because I'm not gonna get in buy positions. Only if this 30-minute candle can close above this price too, because then we have clear traffic. Then we have clear traffic on this left hand side, where we can catch literally 250 pips, around 250 pips, and our stop loss will be underneath this price here. So this can be the trade, but I only want to see the 30-minute candle closure. Only then I'm gonna get in this trade. Full port long would have worked. Just do it then, man. Guys, I'm gonna play some chess. Is that good? So let me first mark up this buys above price 3181 only if the 30 amp closes above. Yes. So now this, what I marked here, doesn't work again. And where would I get in sell positions? So that's the question now too, because let me mark this up here. We can only get in sell positions not only if this 30-minute candle is gonna close bearish, not only if this 15-minute candle is gonna close bearish. We can only look for sell positions only once price gets to this level here. Only then we can look for sell positions. So this is a setup for now. Okay. Okay. Get this bishop out. Okay, now we wanna get this one out. Take. Right. So what we wanna do now is just push this one right here. Take. Okay. He's only pushing his pawns. Let's push this one here. He's literally only pushing his pawns. I don't know what this guy is doing basically. Let me just take. We can just put this one right here. Alright, so the 15 closed bullish, but it didn't close above this price. So, and we still want to wait for the 30-minute candle to close above that price. Let's push this one here. So take. Okay, that's good. If we push this one here, it's much better. It's basically winning. So what if you push this one here? It's much better, right? Oh, ja, push deze hier. Dat is veel beter. Stupid move. Just nee, dat gaan we niet doen. Take. Nee, dat kan niet, want ja jongen, het is hier. Plaats deze hier. 3195 break even. Take. He takes. What if we push? We can just take the queen. Ik kan gewoon die queen pakken de hele tijd. Oh no. What's your stop loss? I am not in a trade yet, guys. I basically don't really know why it rejects from here. I don't know. Ten minutes left, guys. 10 minutes left. Push to the downside, come back up. Push to the downside, come back up. Push to the downside, come back up. Ik weet het niet. Ik weet het niet. So this can either be a fake out or just a nice 30-minute candle close. These are the two things I'm waiting for, basically. Should I also get out of my position? I don't really know, man. I mean, you are already around 200 pips profit. Yeah, just put it on break even. But you do have to know that price can just easily go to your break even 3195. But the thing is that once you have the entry around 3195, it's already very nice. So why would you close it? I mean, you can close 25%, or yeah, just take your profits a little bit. But Ryan is basically right. You have 200 pips profit. Just take your profits. That's also one thing. Or just close 75% and hold the rest. Nice trade, bro. Don't donate it back to the broker. Yeah. Alright, waiting for this 30-minute candle to close. I'm gonna get this set up also on my Telegram. Just wait a minute. Let's see what 4 p.m. news bring us. I doubt any big impact. Yes, it can be a big impact, but it's still 1 hour later, so we can do a lot in 1 hour time. Four hour, looking good. Oh, you're Casey, second name Ryan. Bro, is er high impact nieuws? Omzet 4 uur? Ja, er is een beetje nieuws. Maar ja, we hebben nog een uur voor die nieuws, hè, dus komt goed. Yeah, this is looking very good. Right now, this setup is looking very good. So guys, you guys have some plans for the weekend? What you guys gonna do in the weekend? Because it's the last day of trading. With my daughter this week, taking her to the zoo and great weekend out. Nice, man, good job. I'm just gonna do basically nothing. That's a good thing to do. I also want to sit with some price action education while the market is closed and do some backtesting. Yeah, that's very good, bro. I will come up. I think I will make some nice videos for you guys in this weekend, especially for price action trading, because a lot of people are asking me how it works, how it really works. So close in 1.5 minutes. Yeah, I will do it. It's okay. That will be really appreciated. Of course, bro. Of course. The only thing you have to do is just learn, bro. The only thing you have to do is learn, nothing else. And believe me, once you have this discipline, once you have this consistency, once you have this mindset, once you have this trading plan, everything will set. Everything will work for you. Believe me. The 30 minute didn't close above, so we just have to wait again. You're not married or have a girlfriend? If so, she doesn't mind you with trading. I don't have a girlfriend. I don't have a wife either, so I mean, I had one, but problems. Well, well done, bro. Just this distraction from goals. It's not really distraction from goals if you have the right, if you have the right one, but at the like general, yes, it does. It does distract you a little bit, but it's all good, I guess. You know the saying, they want time or money. If you have time, you don't have money, and vice versa. Yes, that's right. That's right. But the right, the the right person for you will not ask your time if you are if she already knows what you are doing, and if she already knows that your time is valuable. Other stuff. Yes, but if you really have the right one, then it's much better. Yeah, 30 minutes flying. It's okay. It's all good. Why? Why don't you think it will be good to sell? Right now it's not good to sell basically. We have 3 bullish candles already on the 30 minutes, so it does really look for sell positions. I will be right back at in 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. I will be back. You're very complacent. You don't get FOMO. Yes, bro. And I'm really thankful for that. I already passed that phase, because like once I woke up, I already saw that gold is pushing to the downside. I already knew that the market were very bearish, but the thing is that I don't care if price drops. I don't care if price goes to the upside. I don't care anymore if I missed the trade, because I didn't lose either. So I didn't lose anything. I didn't win anything. Why would I be mad at something that I missed? It's not. It's basically not in trading only. It's in life, man. I mean, you didn't miss anything basically because you didn't lost anything. How did you manage to get disciplined about your trading? I understand the basics of trading, but my discipline is really getting in the way of getting profitable. I think because you're asking this question, I already know that you are a profitable trader, but the discipline is getting in the way. So you can learn how to be disciplined, not in trading, but I think in general in your life you have to be disciplined enough. Like waking up in the morning, going to the gym. If you manage to do that already, then the trading will be much easier. Because how I manage my discipline is basically just going to the gym every day, doing things that I have to do but I don't want to do. So that's basically what discipline is. And a lot of people, they think that the trading is the problem, that they don't know how to trade. Believe me, like everyone can trade basically. The trading part it's not hard. It's not hard. The discipline part is hard. The staying consistent is hard. The risk management is hard. These things are very hard to learn. And trust me, if I say this, like if you how can I say it? If you manage to get these things under control, I will guarantee you, I will guarantee you that you will be a profitable trader in the long run. That's for sure. Man, the things that are very hard is basically just very simple. Like going to the gym, it's not hard. I mean, it's just do it. Just go. You really have to go. I know you don't want to. I know you want to sleep 1 more hour or sleep 2 more hours. I know these things already. You just have to do it, man. Nothing else. Literally nothing else. Just do it. And once you do it, you will feel good. You will do more things that you don't want to do, But if you do these things, then only then you will see results that you really want. Agreed. You can even gym at home or go for a run. Yes, 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 yes. That's right. Like I quit my job 1.5 months ago, maybe 2 months already, and it's the best thing that I have ever done because I know that if I do these things every single day, then everything will work out for me. It's just they don't do it. The people that are unsuccessful on any type of thing, it doesn't have to be trading. It's just not. It's not because they want to do it or something. It's just they don't do it. Literally, they just don't do it. Agreed. You can even gym. Yeah, yeah. Guys, your mind is your greatest asset. We are our own limits. That's very true. That's very true, bro. So, did you have the same problem when you started trading, or were you already a disciplined person? Bro, it took me 4 years. It took me exactly 4 years, and then I was profitable. Then I was becoming profitable trader. When did you pass your first funded account? I think it was 2021, January 2021. 4 years already now. Once I got my first payout, my first payout was around 200 bucks, around 200 euros. And believe me, once I received that money, my whole mindset changed. The fact that you can actually make money from trading was basically not real for me. But once you do the things that you have to do, you will see things that you didn't see. That's what it's all about. In my own opinion, trading is 95% physical, 5% technical. I'm learning this slowly. That's correct, bro. That's correct. Second name Ryan. We're still waiting, guys. No trade yet. Recommend any books? I recommend the. I'm reading that book still. It's called Power. Yeah, Think and Grow Rich is also a very nice book. Like this book here is very good. I really like this book. The 48 Laws of Power. Oh. This one. See how that 30 minutes. See how that 30 minutes just came back in its own. Buyers would have been trapped now. Yes, exactly. But that's why patience is number one key in trading. I haven't been even talking about patience. I mean, patience is literally just the best thing I've ever done. You are so right. Patience is key. Let the market come to you. Don't chase it. Bro, you already seem like a profitable trader to me, Ryan. Like the things you say is everything is correct. You already have to be a profitable trader. What's in your way? I don't get it. Everything you say right now is just right. Er is wel een verschil om het te weten, maar je moet je ook aan je plan houden, 100%. He's a very good, awesome person, very few teach and speak. Don't need any indicators on the chart. Exactly. Don't get fooled by these indicators. Don't do that, please. I mean, yes, of course, some people use indicators that are profitable traders, but in the long run, I just don't see it. I can't trust on indicators. I mean, it's just lines that show you where the market goes. I mean, that's what the chart already is doing. You only have to look at the chart. The only thing you need is a fucking chart, nothing else. You don't need any fucking indicator, man. I'm just getting pissed at when people tell like the SMA telling you this, the RSC telling you this. It's bullshit. It's nonsense for me. Hi, it's Barrington. How are you, man? I'm good. How are you? I'm doing good. I'm doing fine. Denk je dat vandaag nog gaat traden? Ik denk het wel, man. Ik denk het wel. De markten zien er super goed uit. Ik denk dat we wel in een trade gaan straks. Maar dat ligt natuurlijk aan de markets, hè. Dat ligt natuurlijk aan de markets. When did you start trading only gold? 3 years ago I started trading gold, and like 1.5 years I started trading gold every single day. Like I think almost 2 years that I've been trading gold every single day. Bro, do you back at previous price to the left, like at 3175? It's struggling there a bit. 3175. So let me see your question again. Bro, do you back at previous price? I don't understand. What do you mean with do you back at previous price? Look back. Let me go to 5. So 3175. This is where you mention as a consolidation level, right? Which is basically right. I mean, it still didn't really consolidate, because this is what we see here is a consolidation. This is a consolidation level where price rejected multiple times. This we cannot consider this as a consolidation level, as a striking level. We don't really see rejection. We only saw one already, so it's still early to say that. And you don't want to do anything else? I don't want to do anything else. I don't need any pair. I mean, gold is enough for me. If I have Tuesday I had a trade of 200 pips. 200 pips for me with the 3 lot is already 6k. So 6k is enough for me. I don't need to chase more. I don't need to chase more markets. I don't need to trade Nasdaq just because I want to make more money. You only need one pair. Do you think it's wise to buy now? Do you think it's wise to buy now? 170 and to 185. No. We only want to get in buys only when price goes to 3181 or crosses 3181. This is the area we want to get in buys. This right here. We don't want to get in buys underneath this price. Gold still seems bearish to me, to be honest. Yes, it's still bearish. We have to make sure that that's right, because the trend is going to the downside. We can clearly see the markets are pushing downside. This is still looking a very good buy position. Once we go to 3181, this is looking very good, because we have clean traffic here on the previous push to the upside, and we have clean traffic here, which was just recently. Achi, what do you think? What do you think gold will do in the next 2 hours? Ahmed is nu standaard moderator voor je kanaal. Moestie, ik maak jou ook mod. Dus als jullie van die rare dingen straks zien, dan I've learned from you, don't predict, react. Yes. Good job, man. 30-minute close soon. Yes, 2 minutes left. I didn't really see that we still have 2 minutes left, but it's okay. I mean, if we can still close a price above 3181, which will be needs to do 40 pips to the upside, then we can get in buys basically. Especially on this 15, this wick here is already telling something. Yeah, this wick is telling a lot of things basically. So we just have to wait. Do you think it won't drop from here? I don't think so. I think we will drop back to the downside after the London close. So once New York is basically, because we have to look at things very easily. So once the New York session opened, we only saw bullish candles. We literally only saw bullish candles. I mean, we created instantly 3 bullish candles with a move of 270 pips to the upside. So right now it won't go bearish. I think we will see a consolidation level, and if we have a consolidation level, then it's done for the day, because I don't want to see price consolidate from this level. We don't need this consolidation level. We want to push up or down. That week is peaking. Buyers are taking over as price rejected 70 pips on that week. Yes, that's crazy. So I do think that we will get in buy positions, but not yet. Right, everything's clear. See clean here? Yes, I guess. Okay, push this. What do you think gold will do today with the market? We'll see how you back. Hey, Xauusd. Ja. Ik kan er ook een shit aan. Ah ja, wat vond je van mijn bomba trade vannacht? Oh ja, Rajo, voilà. Jij bent space soms, neef, hè. Ik zeg jou. Soms jij bent space. Three one eight five. Yeah, it's not a big problem if that we rejected that price. It's not a big deal. Take. Deze daar. Take. Take. Ja joh, waarom niet? Are you gonna trade the news now with 5 to 25 minutes? No. Even kijken dan. Nee, weeg deze ook terug. Hij mag hem hebben. See the price, yes. No, I don't think I will open a trade in 15 minutes. Zie dat moest ik wordt geen mod gemaakt. Oh, wacht, ik maak er straks mod, neef. Wat doet deze mogoltje allemaal, jongen? Check. Oh shit. Take. Nee, kan niet. Even kijken, man. Deze pakken. Ja. Kijk of dit gaat doen, man. Deze kan ook niet weg. Dan push deze. Nee, jongen, hij kan het toch gewoon pakken, maat. Dom. Oh, wacht even, onze Reggio mot maken. So the 15 is looking basically pretty good for my positions. But still, like, I do think that we are in this current rejection zone where it's just too risky for me. Als ik vanavond BTC ga traden met de van dan heb ik gewoon 4. Bro, weet je wat het is, Reggio? Jij moet Cage normaal doen, man. Ik zeg je eerlijk, jij moet echt Cage normaal doen. Nee bro, moet je niet doen. Jij mag, in een weekend mag je sowieso niet traden, hè. Het moment dat je in een weekend een trade plaatst, is account gelijk loose. See what I'm saying about 3185 price? Price is rejecting there twice on 15-minute time frame. Yes, that's correct. That's why I'm not gonna enter. That's just why we are waiting right now. Nou, hoe bedoel je ook nog? Broer, je mag niet in de weekend traden. Hij is gek, hè? Ja, dat zijn FTMO's en regeltjes, hè. Maar Reggio, je moet gewoon doen, joh. Je doet toch zelf alles, joh. Doe gewoon ook. En dan misschien... Je hebt 1% kans dat FTMO nog zegt van... Oké, is goed, wij houden die account nog. En 90% als je account loose is. Dus je kan het proberen als je wil, maat. Moest hij zijn dan skip niet proberen? Tuurlijk niet, man. Ben je gek, moest hij. Hij is gek, hè. Yeah, gold is bullish. Gold is basically very bullish. I think we're gonna get in this trade in 3 minutes. Let me see. Yeah, I think we can get in buy positions here. This is looking very good, basically. Okay, so let me see. Okay, we're gonna get in this trade, guys. Yeah, I think this is a good trade. I think this will be a good trade. If the 15 can close like this, it's a good trade. Alright guys, get ready. We are in the trade, guys. 3182 is our stop loss. 3185, 3182 is our stop loss level. Let's see. 15 is gonna close right now, so let's see, guys. Alright, the 15-minute closed. Let's see what gold can do here. We are getting close to our stop loss, guys. We have 15 pips for a stop loss to it. So we're gonna see if it's a stop loss trade. We're gonna see if it's a losing trade. Yeah, we are one pip away basically from our stop loss. Yeah, we got our stop loss almost hit. Almost. There you go. Stop loss hit, guys. We lost 30 pips on this trade. So stop loss hit minus 30 pips. So the first trade, stop loss hit. We can still look for this bullish movements on this 30-minute time frame, but because we have news, we cannot trade at that time. So we're gonna see no trade for the coming 30 minutes. Alright, so the only thing we're gonna wait for now is this 2 50-minute candles. If we can still close above price 3181 within these 50-minute candles, then we have to get in another buy position, and this will be our last trade, because after that we're not gonna trade anymore. We already took 3 trades then, which is 1 break even still, but we always have to keep in mind. Welke is beter? Ja, TikTok is sowieso beter, maat, maar YouTube is ook gewoon goed. YouTube is ook gewoon, is niks mis mee. Ik ga voor een cel rond 3196. Dat zou ik niet doen, man. Dus ziet er, op dit moment ziet gold er oprecht bullish uit. We creëren echt een soort van bullish patroon hier, man. Dus ik denk dat we wel zeker omhoog kunnen gaan. Ik denk dat we echt in deze range kunnen bewegen. Dit ziet er in principe echt super clean uit. Dus ik weet het niet. Ik weet het niet. I think gold will still go to the upside. I said it, 170 was the buy. 170. Yeah, but it's still risky because it's in this range. But if you did took this trade on 170, that's very good basically. You just had a you just have a sniper entry literally, because this is the 170. Yeah, I think gold will still go to the upside. We're gonna have to wait for the news, guys. We're gonna have to wait for the news. Yeah, we can easily go in this range. It came back to our entry 3185. Yeah, this is going to the upside. This is bullish. Alright guys, we still have to wait. There's no choice because we have news, otherwise we will get in this trade. We basically still have 2 hours left to trade, so it's all good. We can just either wait for this price to hit 3207, and from there we can get in sell positions. That will be very good for us. Yeah, this is looking very good. I don't think the news will have major impact. I don't think so also. I don't think so. I need 5,000 pips. I need it too, man. Yeah, I think that these are the moments to get in buy positions, basically. Ja, zeker. Ja, maar kijk, wat Trump spreekt is meestal niet, gaat meestal niet over aandelen, over financiële markten. En Trump spreekt volgens mij echt iedere dag wel, dus ik weet niet. Hij spreekt elke dag, ja. We have 2 minutes left for this 1 hour candle to close. The 1 hour candle also closed bullish, so I think that the markets are getting more bullish now. Yeah, this is very bullish. Zoek voor buy of sell, buy. Buy moest hij. gold pushed super hard opeens. Ja, de nieuws is ook bullish. Maar het nieuws heeft niet echt veel impact gehad op gold hier, dus ik vind het lastig om te zeggen. Yeah, this gold trade is very bullish. Yeah, if this 15 is gonna close bullish, then we have to give gold another chance, and that will be the last trade for today. So now we just only wait for the 15 to close bullish. That's the only thing we have to see. Right, gold's going good. Rejo, ben je nog hier, Rejo? Moest je bent er wel altijd, hè? Soldaat. Full port cel. Nee toch? Je hebt net nog cel gezegd, broer. Rustig. So right now we just wait for the 15 to close, and after that we're gonna get in straight away, and we have to see what gold can bring us. I mean, if gold can try to close in this range here, right? If gold can close this 50-minute time frame in this range, then it's very good for us. Ik sta nu break-even op challenge 1. Ben dik aan het struggelen. Geen stress, geen stress. Ja joh, breng die bas maar, moest hij. Pak 2 accounts, 1 buy en andere cel. Geloof me, garandeerd winst. Nee jongen, niet doen. Consolidation in that range. Ryan, I don't think so, bro. I think we can. I just need this 15 to close in this range, and then we can get in buy positions. I want to see gold. I need to see gold move like this happen. I do see these kind of moves. So the only thing we have to wait for is this 15 to close, and then we're gonna get in. So this range here is around 200 pips, 230 pips. I will be back in 2 minutes, guys. I will be still here, but you know. Consolidation in that range. No. Yeah, I think it's pushing. I think it's gonna push. But I also want it to come back down. I don't want to see gold flying already, which it basically does right now. Yeah, so gold currently very bullish. No sells. No sells. Even kijken. Timer. Geen timer hier. Timer staan. Even kijken, events. Can I set some? Can I set a timer on TradingView? Is that possible? Countdown. Countdown is now available on any time interval. How do I do this? Add custom interval. Oh nee, niet dit. Nee. Countdown. What is this, man? All right, so just wait for this 15 to close here. Then it's very good to get in buy positions. So let me tell you something about the loss we took today. So now, the lessons I can learn from this trade is very. It's just too much to tell you. So we went in this. Let me just calculate this now. Where did we went in? We went in a sell position, right? Yeah, we went in a sell position from this candle closure here. So what I learned from this candle, what I learned from this trade, I mean, is that price pushed quickly to the downside. So the lesson I can learn from this trade is literally just once your trade is going too fast, just close it immediately. I don't need to see very much candles, because this 1 minute candle only was already 85 pips. That's too much for 1 minute. So that means that the volume is too much. So my trade doesn't really count. That's why I actually took it to break even. But we could have had closed at 60 pips, 50 pips, even 40 pips. So that's the lesson I learned from that trade. Because yes, I had a sell position. I could have held it. I mean, I could have closed it, but it's just too fast. That's why I should have closed the trade. Yeah, we need this 15 to close around this range. So get ready, guys. I think we have to get in a buy position here. Alright, so let me see. Alright, I think this is the trade we have to take. Alright guys, we are in the trade. Stop loss is 3181. Let's see now. Alright, we are in the trade. Let me close this out here. So stop loss is 3181. 3184 is our entry. 3181 is our stop loss. Okay. Let's see. Our target is around 200 pips. That's good. So let's say once price can hit where is this marker? 3186, that will be that much. 3188, that will be 40 pips. All right. Yeah, this is basically a consolidation level, but I think we have to close this trade out. Yeah. Yeah, we closed the trade with 20 pips stop loss. So we lost 50 pips today, which is basically too much. I should have waited for some, because on the lower time frame is still a consolidation level. Yeah, this is too risky. This is too risky now. We closed the trade with 20 pips stop loss, so we have around 50 pips stop loss today. Yeah, I think that is it for today. I don't think gold can just keep swinging on these kind of levels. Ja, ik ga nou zetten, Raju. Want kijk, gold, het ziet er echt super bullish uit nog steeds, man. Het ziet er gewoon bullish uit, man. Het ziet er echt bullish uit, ja. We kunnen ieder moment weer een rejection zien en richting omhoog. this was, I mean, this was the place to actually get in buys. I mean, we went in buys right before this 5-minute candle closure, so we lost, but we did close it with 20 pips, so we did save 10 pips from our accounts, which is a very good thing. 2 trades took 50 pips total in loss. Let's get an A+ setup and not revenge trade that 50 pips. Yes, exactly. It's down for the day, guys. So let me see. I already updated it on the Telegram chat, so it's all good. We closed this week with 185 pips profit, which is basically still very good. Yeah, so next week we have 5 more. We have again 5 trading days to happen, and I truly believe that we can just still manage to get in a very good week again. That is it for today, guys. Again, lost 50 pips. It's all good. 2 losing trades. It will happen always. So Monday I will stream again. I think I will stream a little bit later than today. I will stream the New York session open. So make sure to tune in, guys. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys Monday.